Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your meter is rated for the work and probes are intact. Safety first. Once done, plug COM into the common jack and the V/Omega probe into the voltage/resistance jack, then power the meter. Make sure to select the correct function and either let auto range settle or pick a range just above the expected reading so you avoid overload. You do this to protect the meter and get a stable initial reading before contacting the circuit. Next, measure like this. For voltage, touch probes across the component or supply and watch polarity. Choose DC or AC as appropriate. For current, stop power if needed, move the red probe to the amp jack, reconnect the circuit so the meter becomes series path, and proceed carefully because overcurrent can blow a fuse. For resistance and continuity, always isolate the component from power first and short the probes to zero adjust so your reading is accurate. Use hold or min/max functions to capture fluctuating values. Finally, record your measurements and then remove probes from the circuit one at a time. Power the meter down and coil leads to avoid damage. Make sure to change batteries or fuses promptly and arrange calibration when accuracy drifts. If you see unstable or zero readings, stop and check probe contact and polarity, confirm you're on the correct mode and range or auto range, and inspect the input fuse and batteries. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly, so you can trust subsequent measurements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.